Hey guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, I'm coming at you with another video. We have a live glam from Morphe here. It's not this month's, it's a different month. I don't know what month it is. I hope it says it on the pamphlet that comes in with it. Dang, I wish I opened it. I usually open this before camera, but I was like, I just got really excited. I was like, let me turn on the camera, and then boom. The Perfect Beat Live Glam Morphe August last year. Cool. This is 2020, so it's not that far away. All right. This is oval. Okay. This is create a Grammy-worthy beat with these brushes. By the way, Live Glam, you get more than $20 worth of value in brushes. I think you get like $30 worth of value in brushes. This is $19.99, $20. No shipping, no handling, no taxes, just $20 a month. You can skip it. You can switch one brush out of the collection or switch the whole collection, which I did because it was like 3 brushes out of everything I didn't want or I already had. So I just was like, you know what, let me just switch the whole brush set. So I switched the whole brush set to E-brushes. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Kayla B, and I love Elite brushes. I love the Elite brushes line from Morphe, so your girl had to get it. I mean, it's 2 Elite brushes and 1 not Elite brush, but let's just read about it. This brush right here is the M557, so 557. This is the mini detail contour size down so you get ultra precise placement. These soft, dense bristles will have you looking super snatched and ready to take the stage. All right, let's open this up and let's see, because what I'm thinking, not about contour, but I could probably use it. Yeah, there we go. I could probably use it with my Fenty Cream blush, and I could use it like that. Yeah, I could use it like that, and just like tie it on more precise. Or I can use it for my cream highlight. But anyways, I can use it for cream product. I mean, I do have some cream contours I can use it for. Blend it out. Alright, I'm down for this. Okay. I'm down for this. Before last year, I wasn't really into cream products. I wasn't even really into cream contour. So that's the reason why I never got this brush set. But I was always curious about this brush set. I am so glad I got it this time. Alright, this right here, which I'm really interested in. This is the E53 Pro Pointed Powder Brush. This tapered bristles on this brush pick up the right amount of powder and put you control. Your skin will look flawless on those real camera photos. Anyways, I have a brush similar to this. It's not the E, it's Shayna B brush. That's the reason why when I was in the doing that Ipsy video, I said I didn't want the Shayna B brush set, because I already have like a pointed powder brush that I know I'm gonna love, and it's this, because it's like, it's big, but it's not so big. Like the other one is like really stiff. You know what? I have it here somewhere. I'm gonna show you. Like, brushes are preference, don't get me wrong, and also it depends on your face. But I have different clients and they have different sizes. You know, some are oval, some are skinny, some are heart shaped. You know, there's so many different brushes that I can use. Some has cheeky eyes, some have like ovally eyes, sometimes have big like your egg shaped eyes. So you know, there's different brushes for different strokes, but you know, sometimes I just can't do it. So this is the brush that I was talking about. This is the Shayna B brush, and this is like more precise, as you can see, going up the eye just to like set. While this, I could just set and sweep powder away in one stroke. I could also apply blush with this. I could apply powder foundation with this. I could just put powder and just go around my nose. Like literally, this is a powder brush. This is a pointed powder brush, but it's powder brushed, and I love it. And it's so soft, and I love e-brushes. And then the handle is just, this is an elite brush. This is cute. It looks cheap. It is cheap. This is cheap, but it doesn't look cheap. Okay? It looks expensive. It feels expensive. It is expensive. This is not. This is just, I would throw it. Like, no. I mean, it's soft, but it's not this soft. Like, this is okay. This is soft. It's nice. But then I put this on and it's way nicer. Like, they can't compare. Like, they're both powdered, pointed setting brushes, but this is better than this. And this is why I love elite brushes, because they're fire. They're better than majority of my brushes. And that's the reason why I try not to use them all. And if I lose one, I'm really upset. Or someone takes one, I'm really upset. Be like, you can take my brushes, but not the elite. And they be like, okay. And then they take the elite one. And I'm like, no, I didn't say you could take this. I didn't say you could take this. All right, this one right here is the oval foundation brush. This is the E9. Hey, full coverage. The round tip and the flat on this flat brush will get you that seamless finish and hit the perfect note every time. So beautiful, so amazing, and so soft. And I don't use this to apply foundation. I mean, obviously, you know, I use kabuki brushes or I use flat top brushes, but I don't, or buffer brushes, but I do not use this type of brush. Probably to apply, but never to blend out. I probably use this if it's like the last clean brush for foundation, and I'm like, okay, this, and then use my sponge. Again, I rarely use sponges. This is like the last clean thing ever, and I don't feel like washing any of my brushes. This is what I would use. But I do use these for masks, and you guys know I love skincare and I love doing masks. So at night, when I do my nighttime mask, I'm just gonna luxury it out and just put it on with this instead of the other one, the Luxie one that I have. I'm gonna use the Elite. Yummy. And I love this. I love this. I picked this whole set, and I am happy with this whole set. Before, I was not happy with what it was supposed to be here, but you know, it is what it is. If you want to know what was supposed to be in the thing, it will be down in the description box, plus the links to Live Glam and also to my Instagram, which, you know, I look good in my new picture. I'm on a dirt bike. Go check it out. It will be linked down below. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Ding! I'm done. I'm happy. Live Glam came today. Woo! Deuces.